Alright, time to do this mastery journal. Yeah. Not excited about this, but well. I had 3 goals for this class all the way back this time last year. Wow, it's been a year. Let's see. Let me check the timeline. Alright, so my goals were to enact film assembly strategy, work with different color correcting software, and research sound techniques for film. Yeah, I did none of that. This was based off of what we'll learn in the class on the school's website. And I don't feel like we did that. Or I don't know. It's been a while. But I do think I did get a lot out of this class. Not what I was expecting to get out of this class. Like the whole color grading thing, which felt weird when we're focusing on the sound, music, all the Foley, all that for the film. And then we have color grading mentioned here. It just feels weird, which is an important part of the final assembly, but it just feels weird there. And not really a chance to really explore that because the rooms are small. You need certain people in the room. I wanted to be there, but I couldn't make it. So it's just like not even really getting a chance to explore that element of post-production for myself. Yeah, we didn't have a final assembly strategy. It was, mix sound. At least that's my opinion. Maybe Joel had an idea, but we basically took cues from you, Bill, for what we're going to be doing. And as I said in my report on being a supervisor, I directed it towards Joel. If he okayed it, great. If he didn't, he didn't. But that's where I fell on this whole project. Being the script supervisor again, just not my place, but I didn't feel like we actually had a strategy. It was more, okay, we need this, okay, let's put this here, let's do it. We listened to someone who's been doing this for a very long time, which is I think was smart. As for researching sound techniques, no, didn't do that. I mean, outside just taking from the class, I still got a better understanding of how to mix sound, because that's definitely one of my weak areas. Mixing and getting everything to come together, I feel. But I definitely got a better sense of how to do that. I definitely know I need to work on that more and really play around with it. But it's definitely something I feel more comfortable going into and doing now than I did even a few months ago. Working on Florida Man with Zach, I edited it, but I did not feel comfortable mixing the sound, and that's what he ended up doing, and he did a great job of it. So, but now I actually feel a little bit more comfortable working on that, trying to mix it and do that. But overall, that's what the goals were for the class. Did not achieve what I thought I was going to be achieving a year ago, but that's what I think is a good thing, because based on what I have here, I would have not been excited about this class. And what I got from the class was absolutely fantastic. And walking away with more knowledge than I was expecting, which is great. Bill, I had a great time in your class. I look forward to finishing the master program and hopefully keeping in touch with you. Thanks for everything. All right.